Ever wondered how to snag those exclusive kicks on KickWho using Zelle? Let's dive in. First, after filling your cart on KickWho, proceed to checkout and select the Zelle payment option. KickWho will then provide you with their specific Zelle payment details, usually an email address or a phone number associated with their Zelle account. Make sure to note these down accurately. Now, open your Zelle banking app, tap on Send or Send Money. Carefully enter the Zelle email address or phone number that KickWho provided. Next, input the exact amount of your order total from KickWho. Always double-check the recipient's details and the amount before confirming. Once everything looks correct, hit Confirm to send your payment. After successfully sending your Zelle payment, you'll receive a confirmation within the Zelle app. It's crucial to take a screenshot of this confirmation, as it serves as your proof of payment. Return to the KickWho website. You'll typically find a section to submit your payment proof. Upload the screenshot of your Zelle confirmation and provide any requested details, like the transaction ID or the name on your Zelle account. Once KickWho verifies your payment, your order will be processed. That's it. You've successfully paid for your KickWho order using Zelle. Happy shopping!